Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the organization and management of our projects in Construction Online. Now, when we need to access our projects through Construction Online, we can do that from one of two locations. The first of those has two ways to get there. We can either access it through the Projects button over here on the left sidebar, or if we're in the Company Overview, we can access it through the Company Projects across the top tabs there. Now, once we are in this location, we can see our entire project list. Currently, I'm hiding my archive projects, so this is just showing me my active projects. I can uncheck this box and see all projects archived and live projects, or I can just look at my archive projects by clicking on the archive projects section. Now, when we are in this view, we have a couple of different options available to us. We can just filter this list entirely by using our filter dropdown, or I can change this view to our group by view, which then allows me to organize this in a lot more detail. So currently I'm filtering these by project type. And then if I wanted to filter by anything else, I can just grab a column header. And let's say we wanted to do it by project stage as well. I can grab that project header, drag it up to the top, and now you'll see it's organizing by both. So the larger exterior portion is organizing by that project type. And then within there, we have the different project stages that are broken up. And I can do this with as many headers as I would like to, or as few. Now, this is the first location we can access this. The other location is going to be a little bit further down on the left-hand sidebar. It's that final piece at our left navigation bar. And we have two locations here. We have a recents or a favorite section that we can look at. If we open that up, the favorites will show you all of your favorited projects. If you need to favorite a project, all you have to do is right click on it and hit favorites if it hasn't been. Or I can do that from the project view that we had over here, where I can hit add to favorites. The other option here is our recent projects. Now currently I haven't worked on a project recently, so that won't show anything, but it'll show your most 5 recently worked on projects. Then right below that, you have your full project list. Currently, I am organizing my project list by type. If you would like to change that to organize it by anything else, so let's say I wanted to organize it by project stage, I can hit this 3-dot menu here, sort my project list, and then from the drop down, I can change my group by to be by project stage. Check that off, and now they're sorted by approved, closing, complete, and so on and so forth there. If I wanted to go back, 3-dot menu, list by project type. Now below that, we do have our archive projects. So this location is going to be where we will place projects when we are done with said project. So the project has been closed out and we don't want it to be cluttering up our active projects in Construction Online. Same way we favorited a project earlier, we'll do the same thing here. You'll just right click on a active project and you'll see archive project will be there. That will then move it into our archive projects. And if you ever need that information for future reference, you just need to go back into your archive projects, find the project that you need information from, right click on it, and then you'll see activate project is here as well. Now that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.